Cantra, and imagine a vehicle smaller than most sports cars yet secretly capable of becoming a full mobile home. This is the Japanese K-Camper, built on lightweight truck platforms like the Nissan Clipper and the legendary Suzuki Carry, and the first thing you notice is the contradiction. Outside, it looks like a humble, compact delivery truck. Narrow body, tall roofline, compact wheels, but inside, everything transforms. A dinette becomes a bed, another fold-down sleeping space appears above. Suddenly 4 people can sleep comfortably. Solar panels sit quietly on the roof. Air conditioning keeps the cabin cool. Storage compartments hide everywhere. It feels less like a tiny truck and more like a futuristic luxury car meets micro house. And here's the twist, because it's built under Japan's K regulations. The engine remains incredibly efficient, while delivering surprising practicality for travel, camping, or even urban living. So here's the real question: could a vehicle smaller than most sedans actually replace a full motorhome for modern explorers today? Keep watching, because the secret that makes this micro camper revolutionary isn't the beds, it's the way Japanese car innovation squeezes maximum technology into minimal space. And by the end, you'll understand why enthusiasts worldwide are suddenly obsessed with K-campers. Behind the wheel, the experience feels surprisingly confident. Light steering, tight turning radius, responsive throttle, incredible fuel efficiency, and a stable ride even when fully loaded with camping gear. It's not about raw speed like a sports car, it's about freedom per gallon, mobility per dollar, adventure per inch of chassis. But wait, here's where things get wild. The smallest motorhome on Earth might secretly be the smartest the first time. Many drivers step inside. They laugh, then pause, then stare, because in seconds the interior transforms from seating lounge to sleeping quarters. Suddenly you're imagining road trips, mountain parking spots, beach sunsets. This tiny camper doesn't just transport you, and it changes how you think about travel itself. Picture waking up anywhere: forests, deserts, city edges, your entire home sitting on a compact truck platform. Now let's talk serious automotive tech. Under the cabin sits a small but reliable 660cc K-class engine, typically producing around 40 to 50 horsepower with modest torque optimized for efficiency rather than racing. Power flows through either a manual or automatic transmission to a lightweight rear-wheel drive chassis engineered for durability and simplicity. Top speed usually reaches highway capability around 100 km per h, but the real advantage is fuel economy that can exceed 35 to 40 miles per gallon depending on load and terrain. The ladder frame truck chassis adds strength for camper conversions, while compact suspension setups, often MacPherson struts in front and leaf springs in the rear, provide stability for cargo and passengers. Safety features include reinforced cabin structure, anti-lock braking systems, airbags, and modern braking assist. It's not trying to dominate performance statistics like a luxury sports car. It dominates efficiency, adaptability, and urban maneuverability. And emotionally, that matters more, because this little camper whispers something powerful to every car lover. Freedom doesn't need horsepower numbers, it needs imagination. And that's where the technology story becomes even more fascinating. Modern K-campers integrate solar panels feeding auxiliary batteries that power lighting, ventilation, and small appliances. Onboard air conditioning systems maintain comfort during summer travel. Foldable dinette modules convert instantly into sleeping platforms using lightweight structural frames, insulated walls. Maintain cabin temperature while reducing energy demand. Compact water storage, LED lighting systems, USB charging hubs, and portable cooking setups transform the interior into a micro-smart home on wheels. Some builds even add touchscreen infotainment units with navigation and smartphone integration, bringing future car technology into a vehicle smaller than most city hatchbacks. It's the ultimate example of car innovation, not bigger engines or louder exhausts, but smarter design, smarter efficiency, smarter adventure. And here's the final twist that makes people stare twice. Despite sleeping 4 people and functioning like a tiny mobile apartment, the entire machine costs roughly $30,000, less than many new economy cars, which means the smallest camper on the road might secretly be the most revolutionary vehicle concept of our time. And once you realize that, you can't unsee it, because the future of travel might not be bigger RVs, it might be brilliantly small.